Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sami Razif Fashion Channel. So this round circle flare that we are making 360-degree flare. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is the way you fold your fabric when you want to cut it, and we are cutting it as up shoulder. So when you want to cut up shoulder, you take away your tape rule with the sleeve so that you get the length. So that place that I'm pointing now is the length of the sleeve. So it's a stripe sleeve that we are making. So what I'm doing now, I'm removing that tape from the sleeve that we want to make, and what I'm removing from it is 7. So from that place that I'm pointing that you can see is where we'll now start our measurement. So that is the measurement we are trying to start with. So you start from that place that I marked. So you continue with your round circle flare. It's a 360 round circle flare top that we are making. Don't forget, it's a stripe sleeve that we want to make on it now. So you start and start curving it. So from that sharp side of it, that is the triangle flare, that's where you now put your tape and start to mark. So all what I'm doing here now is where we'll start the neck. So I'm marking the neck now. What I marked there is 4. To bring down the sleeve, the neck, that the cleavage, I'm marking 3. So it's 3 that I'm curving there now to bring it down. So after that, you now start from that sharp side of it. Can you see what I'm doing there now? So you just be holding the tape to start marking, and you start to curve it. So this where I'm doing it now. So that is the length of the top that we are making. So you continue to curve it, continue to put it down. So that is the length, and the length is 23. Removing that 7 for the sleeve length when cutting it is 23. So I'm curving it now because it's a round circle flare, 360-degree flare. So that is what I'm doing there now. So that is the downside, that is to get the length of the top that we are making now. So can you see we have gotten the length of it now? So after that, what next? You now get the armhole. So that is the armhole, because don't forget is up shoulder that we are making now. So that is where we are getting the length now. So I've curved the armhole now. So that is the armhole side of it now. So all what I've mentioned there is the body size of the top that we are making now. So can you see what we are doing there? So that is the armhole, and that is the round circle flare. Is a stripe sleeve that we are making, a spaghetti one. So they also call it spaghetti sleeve. So that is what we are doing there now. So the measurement is done, and the body size is what we have measured there. The circle is not much. We don't want it to be too bogus. So now we have cutting it now. That is the downside of it, because you have done all the measurement. It's not a difficult style. So just sit down, watch it, and learn it so that you can do it by yourself. So that is the next side of it that I want to also cut out. So for that neck that you are seeing, I'm putting it up again. I don't want it to be too sloped down to show the bust. That is why I'm chucking it back again. So now I want to cut the neck properly now. So that is the neck that I'm cutting now. So watch this video very well. It's very beautiful top that we want to make out, and by the time we finish it, you will see. And also seeing the material that we are using is very beautiful. So that is the body size that I'm marking. So everything that we have marked here is okay for this measurement. So that is it. We're done with it. And what we did here is that we cut the back front side first, and is cut together all over. So can you see everything is out, both the back and the front? And what I've seen doing there is just to chuck it to get the front side of it, so that we will not get it wrong. So that is it. We've opened everything together, because what I did there is to cut everything together, that is the front and the back. So we're done with that. And don't forget to lay it with lining. So we use lining to turn it. So by the time we finish it, you see how it came out. Very beautiful. Can you see how it is now, showing it in the camera? So the next step again now is for us now to line it. So that is the lining that we are using to cut it, so that we'll go and sew it and iron it out. So that is it. So I'm folding it the way we folded it when we want to cut the round circle flare. So that is it now. Can you see how I'm doing it for you to see very well? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my video, make a comment. Yes, so this is the, and share it to your friends, to your family friends, so that they themselves can also learn these styles. So that is the neck I'm cutting out now. So that is the circle side of it. So the down side is where we want to also cut, so that we'll go and sew it out and iron it and get our top ready. So this is we are cutting the lining, is the lining we are cutting. Don't forget what we are doing here now is the line that we are cutting now. So that is it. Subscribe to my channel, make a comment. So that is what we are doing here. So we're done with the cutting also. So just for us now to go and stitch it on the machine. So can you see what I've done there? So now this is the spaghetti sleeve we want to cut out. Can you see the length, the width? So you just go and sew it out, iron it out, and fix it to the main length. So what we've done here now, remember I told you is 7 is the length. That is all what you want to have here is 14. So 7 plus 7 is 14. So it will go around the front and the back. So now we've cut it, we iron it out. I'm just showing you how it is now. See the way it look like, very beautiful. So don't forget to subscribe. Can you see how it came out now? Very beautiful top. Thank you for watching.